In 1869, for example, a French missionary and naturalist stationed in China, Father Armand David, became the first outsider to learn of the existence of a black and white bear here in Yan. He sent specimens back to France, and it was found to be a species totally new to science. Even to this day, new things are being discovered about this animal.
So what do you know about pandas?
It's a giant bear. Don't know too much about it because not too many Chinese actually seen it, you know.
Yeah.
Tao Yu, an educator at the Giant Panda Breeding Center, tells us more about one of China's cultural icons.
Is there something about their behavior that surprises you?
The voice.
Ah, yeah.
The voice.
它有很多种声音，几十种。经常能听到的话，就是一种叫羊叫声，类似于像咩叫。
咩那种羊，就山羊的羊。
就很类似，但是不一定是完全一样。
你知道是什么意思吗？
这个的话，在平时的话，就代表它想吃东西；在发情期的话，它就会也是这种叫声，但是它会变得很短急促。哦。这个就是它急切的想要去找对象。
I didn't know that. I didn't know they had all these vocalizations, all these many different.
熊猫的话，它其实声音的话，它是比较丰富的。有一个说法就是它是这个动物界当中的一个声优，因为它
different kind of mimics different
可
kind
以
of
发出
voices.
狗叫声，也可以发出鸟叫声，甚至羊叫声。
Why should we care about pandas?
首先，它数量很稀少，然后是我们中国独有的一个珍稀保护物种，有很重要的科研价值以及其他的这个文化。它现在的一个地位的话，那比如说它就是我们的一个野生动物保护的一个旗舰物种，也可以称作是一个散装物种。在保护熊猫的同时，也可以保护在它生活区域内其他的这个野生动物。
And the ones that are in the captive programs, the 673, is part of the goal to reintroduce them to the wild? Or is it mainly...
We launched this program more over 10 years ago. And now we have released 11 pandas.
Oh, wow. Okay.
All these pandas they have been trained for 2.5 years. After training.
Before releasing
experts, they will
some physical checks.
Before being released. We're eating like pandas now. Wow. Mr. Tao is very lucky to be working here because there are very few places like this in the world, right, where so much thought has been put into conserving a species. I have walked for 9 years. What is that? I don't even know what it is. That's like 3,500 days here into China. And I can tell you, of those 3,500 days, the numbers of days that I've seen wildlife, maybe 50. Everybody around this table is living through the biggest mass extinction in the history of the planet. We are nowhere near having enough facilities like this. There needs to be not hundreds, but thousands and tens of thousands of facilities like this to educate people. So the walk, in a small way, tries to share the stories. Like Mr. Tao, you bring students here to show them there's value in this animal. There's value in nature, and you are part of nature.